In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a mind map using NotebookLM. So let's say I'm on my NotebookLM platform. I've just logged in. Now you can create a new notebook by commenting new note, and then you can be able to upload your sources either from the web or from all of these sources. Let's say I have added these sources and I'm going to use this to create my mind map. So this is a charting area. You want to chart based on the sources that you have. You can go ahead and carry out your charts directly. In case if you want to add more sources, you can always come over here and add sources based on the required methods. Now to create a mind map based on the sources that you have in here, you can always come down to mind map over here. You can click on it to start creating directly, or you can come to this arrow so you can specify the direction of how you want the map to be created based on the sources that you have. I want to keep everything at default, and I can go ahead and click on generate. And this is now going to generate my mind map in a matter of seconds. And you can see it has just been created. You can click to have a preview. And this is the mind map that it has created. You can click even to open it up with more so you can view. You can see everything. With this, you can be able to click and see the separation and see the tree look of the diagram. You can see across. You can move from one aspect to the other and be able to visualize everything. You can use this to actually navigate and pan across the mind map. You can see very detailed mind map that you can always click to see more of the branches based on what you have. Now, if you click on any of the endpoint, it is just going to go ahead and give you more details based on the mind map area that you have clicked. For example, this is ethical AI literacy. It's going to give you content based on that. You click on another section as well, and it's going to give you content based on those ones as well. And you can see AI ethical literacy. You can see all about it, and you can click. You can see critical thinking development, and it's going to go through all that as well, and then give you results based on that as well. And the best part of it is that all of the sources are accessible. When you hover over, you'll be able to see the results. And then when you click, it's going to go directly to the main source and show you where it is being found. So you can collapse the whole of this, and then you can download this to your mind map. You can share it, you can rename. And let's say we can go back to it and go ahead and maybe open it up, and you can see the whole thing. You can move from one step to another. You can decide to zoom out. Now if you want to download this in PNG, you can do that from here. With just that click, you can see it has downloaded your mind map directly to your system in PNG, and you can go ahead and use it directly accordingly. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.